Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house with the best view of the Caribbean Sea. This house is a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom home, which is quite a dream. A fixer-upper, generously proportioned, contemporary residence with mountain and ocean views. Located within a level stroll to the sand and surf of the sought-after South Sea Park community. The split-level floor plan encompasses 6 spacious bedrooms with plenty of room for study, sleep, and storage, 4 luxurious bathrooms, and a sleek and stylish kitchen that flows through to the dining room and a private rear patio for a family barbecue and entertainment. The master bedroom, complete with walk-in robe and ensuite, ensure parents have a private space where they can enjoy the view. Perfect for a family or as a holiday retreat. Very fruited with mango, ackee, banana trees. This home is ideally positioned to enjoy the proximity to beaches, cafes, hotels, and restaurants, shopping, and a selection of premier schools. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $330,000 or Jamaican $50.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.